Alright everyone, this will be the unboxing of the Rigid 20-inch Lightbar, model number 12231. It is their driving / hyper spot combo. I'm going to be installing this on a 2018 Crosstrek. Alright, so as soon as you open the box here, you get looks like some information, some stickers, things like that. You have the wiring harness, which show you all the model numbers, and then the light bar itself. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, and we'll look at it after it's out. Alright everyone, so this is the light bar itself. Just pulled it out of the package. It is pretty. I've bought cheap eBay light bars before, and they work, but I kind of wanted to see if Rigid was worth the money, and I did get a killer deal on this. I know these retail, I believe, on a Rigid website for like 800 bucks. I got mine for under $4. So yeah, brand new in the box, never used. The build quality is superb. Huge difference between this and a cheap eBay one. I actually have an eBay one floating around the house somewhere. I tried looking for it, but I didn't find it because I just wanted to compare the quality between the two. But extremely well built, just from what I can tell. Lenses there. I mean, everything just looks. It's gonna be a lot more worth the money. 800, I don't think I would have bought it. Again, I've been looking for a deal on it for a while. One happened to pop up on eBay, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. So I think it will be worth 400. Whether it's worth 8, I don't know. But yeah, here goes all the wiring switched there, the bracket. Yeah, should be everything needed to get it installed and get it up and running. Going to be doing the install later on today, taking over my buddy's house because he actually has a garage that'll fit the Crosstrek in and let us lift it up a little bit. So yeah, later on today we should have a video.